my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
It's your boy LSH Rock 254. Tune in for another one. Here with the booster. Gonna get ready to go get some gas. Attempt to get some gas. It's been on the battery tending, green light. The issue came from two things. One was the fuses. The second thing was there is a green switch, which is problematic on these Hayabusas for the ignition, and it will cause, when you turn the key on your bike, that you will have no lights, no nothing. It won't do shit. So shout out to everybody that be posting the forums, man. Keep doing that so that when other people have these problems, you know, they're not lost in the sauce. So let's attempt to go get some gas. And yeah. So we made it back. Got a fresh tank of giz ass. Had a little issue when we was coming back. When we had the camera off. Had a little issue when I was coming back. Goddamn thing cut off on me. It cut off because the switch right here, was loose. For the other y'all know, it's a kickstand safety switch. So if this is out like that, then it will not, the bike will cut off. You hit bumps and stuff, and it'll come out and your bike will cut off. So, like I said, this was loose, so I tightened this up the way it's supposed to be, line it up. I'm also gonna have to order new springs. I think them springs are just worn and I need some new ones. So I'm going to get some from, I think I priced them at Revzilla. They only like $10 and shit. Then they charge you another fucking $10 in shipping. So I'm gonna probably order them tonight, and then hopefully I have them by the end of the week. So I can put them on and see if that's gonna make a difference, which it should, because like I said, that's safety right there. You don't want your kickstand falling when you're riding. That's bad business. Other than that, you know what I'm saying, it did great. You know what I'm saying, she cranked right on up now. But I had to put it on the, I had to put it up on the stand so I could get down there and tighten that up. So that rear wheel stand came in real handy. That's why you have it. Got that from Harbor Freight. So yeah, I'm gonna get some springs in, and then from there we will probably ride it again. I'm probably not gonna fool with it while it's with my springs like that. I want it to be A1 when I pull it out. So hopefully I have the springs by the end of the week. I'll bring y'all an update. Alright, so I forgot what the last thing I said in the video. But anyway, I told y'all we was gonna try to clear it out, ride it. So we are currently in Gatesville, Texas. AKA don't let the sun set on your black ass. Nah, I'm bullshitting. But maybe I'm not. I don't know. Anyway, Gatesville is about, I don't know, 30 miles away from home, something like that. Let me see what the miles say. I forgot how many miles we had when we was coming. We had 62. I'll confirm how far when I get back home. But yeah, we just stopped at this truck stop. So I just got got a Snicker bar and some cookies. I ain't really want them, but I ain't want to just turn around with them. Turn around, come right back. You know what I'm saying? Get off, so I can stretch my legs. I ain't did this shit in a minute. Goddamn me. So let's get familiar with my baby. It's been a while. Dude complimented my bike. Had him down want to sell it. $25,000. I ain't gonna sell my baby, man. 45. 45, I can go get that ZL1. I'm bullshit. Nah, 25,000 though. We can make some shit happen. We can make some shit happen, but ride's good. Like I said, we're gonna ride some hoes and then get back home. I'll cut y'all back on when I get to my next destination. I don't know where I'm gonna go from here. That's the beauty of when you just be riding, man. Gas ain't that expensive. Well, gas expensive. The tank just ain't that big. And you just ride and really don't be having no fucking destination. All right, we are home, back home. Just got back from Gatesville. Rode through Topsy. So we had, 60-something miles on there? 2,000, 26,000 something. So now we at 26,094. 26,094. So good 30-something mile ride. You know, just some slight. Like I said, rode good, no issues. Like I said, it's been a while since I rode like that, man. I felt like my fingers was going to sleep. But all in all, Bae did good. Thank you, Bae, for doing good. As far as gas, you know, we filled it up the other day. We probably ran out. Put a little dent in it. So. That's good. But yeah, definitely need to start riding it more. I was trying to tighten down my mirror and messed around and broke it. So I'm gonna have to order some new mirrors. Honestly, I feel like I had them on upside down. Because when I go to tighten them, it's at the bottom versus it'd be a whole lot easier if it was at the top. So, I don't know. We'll see. So, I'm going to get another set. I don't know if I'm going to get the same style. Because, I mean, the mirror facing or the mirror area itself, they're not as large as the other one or the stock ones, but the stock ones is too big and bulky. I ain't trying to fool with them, so we'll make a video when we get ready to do that. So, but yeah, man, a little boosted is still good. All right, man, we're gonna wrap this one up. It's your boy LSRI254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is about choice to choose wisely in productivity or procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Go. So I get on from riding the bike. The old lady like, you want to burn some more gas? Cause she's like, where you been? What you been doing? I'm like, oh, I had to burn some gas out the bike. She's like, well, you can burn some more gas. You can go get some lettuce. So I was like, all right. I'm gonna burn your gas. I said, what? She said, you know you want to ride, ain't good clean